Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I cooked for dinner. Tonight we are having chicken wings and we are actually going to do them on the grill outside. It's actually a beautiful, beautiful night. The humidity broke, so Matt's going to grill these up. I had them frozen. I usually buy meat in bulk and freeze it in individual portions. So I've got 10 wings. And I just wash them, rinse them with water to make sure all the nasty chicken juice is off. And then I literally pat them dry with a paper towel. I drizzle them with a little bit of canola oil and salt and pepper. So they're ready for Matt to throw on the grill. When they come off the grill, I'm going to toss them in some Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. I always prep veggies and fruit on Sundays. So I've got, I already had celery and carrots prepped, and I am going to be doing a video next month in September, which is right around the corner, on like a weekly kind of prep with me, because I don't do like full meal prepping, but I do a lot of different things to kind of set myself up for success during the week, prepping different veggies, salad stuff, fruits, and a lot of random things. So I'm going to show you guys that next month. And if you guys like that series, I'll probably continue that as well. But anyways, tonight we're going to grill these, toss them in the wing sauce, have some celery and carrot. We're also going to have one of these salads, probably this one. I wanted to share these with you guys. They are so good. I think I showed you guys this in like a random haul at some point, maybe a couple random hauls, but these I get at BJ's. They are the Taylor Farms brand. I love this one. That's the avocado ranch, and it's like these are like salad kits, and these are both mainly cabbage based salads. So this one has green cabbage, romaine, carrot, taco cheese, which I don't eat the cheese on my salad, Matt does, green onion, corn, cilantro, and the avocado ranch dressing. Again, they're kits, so they come with everything, the toppings, the dressing. This one is cabbage based. It also has romaine, carrot, pepper, green onion, tortilla, cilantro, and a creamy cilantro dressing. So we'll have one of these tonight, and I'm not sure what else. I think I might even throw maybe like some zucchini or something on the grill, because now that we're out of the heat spell, I want to do as many grilled veggies as we can. So I might cut up some zucchini and grill that as well. So pretty much not really any carbs tonight, not for any particular reason, but you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I love, love, love veggies, and I can just really never get enough of them. So anyways, I will show you guys what everything looks like when it's plated up, but it's going to be a super simple, easy, low carb dinner. Alright guys, here is my plate. I like the flat part of the wing. So I've got my 5 and my carrots, celery, and ranch. And then I've got my chopped cabbage-based salad, that avocado ranch, which is really good. I actually have a lot here because it's really light. And then I have some grilled zucchini, which looks delicious. And Matt has the same thing, a little less salad. His salad has cheese on it, some ranch, and then he likes the drumstick part of the wing, and his zucchini skewers. And this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm starting dinner tonight. I actually have some beautiful kibasi from New York City that was in my freezer. My in-laws went a couple months ago and got like 5 pounds and split it with Matt and I. So they gave us like 2.5 pounds, and this is the last pound I have to use up. I already made the rest previously. But it's just so delicious, and I love getting meat like from an actual like meat house, like a meat market or a butcher. So I'm gonna saute this up. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of this is like an olive oil, canola oil, blend. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that. It doesn't need much because it's already like sort of a fatty meat. So I'm going to saute this up. I have some rice pilaf going, and then I'm going to add to the cooked when the kibasi is almost done cooking. I'm going to add this Trader Joe's. This is a crunch collection, which is kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage. Saute it all together. Add some spices. I'm also going to throw in some red onion. I'm going to chop that up now. So it's going to kind of be like a skillet style meal with a side of rice. So I'll show you guys the process. Alright guys, so here is what that skillet saute looks like with all the veggies from Trader Joe's and the kielbasa. I did put a little of the everything but the bagel seasoning on it. Here is that Near East rice pilaf. We eat that like once a week as a side for one of our dinners. And I actually have a little of the garlic kraut mustard by Terrapin Ridge Farms. I will link their website down below. Because I love their products. They do ship all over the US and Canada, so I will leave their website below. They have a ton of different like mustards and sauces and marinades and aiolis and all different things. So I'm having a little bit of that. My husband does not like sauerkraut, so that's why he does not have any on the side. And Grady tonight is having 4 of the Purdue little chicken nuggets, some rice pilaf. He may or may not like it, but we're going to try it. And he's also going to have a mango peach Mott's applesauce. This stuff is really good. I wonder if they make these in the pouches. If anybody knows, let me know, because I would get them for myself. This is a really good flavor. But anyways, this is our dinner tonight, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I made some sloppy joes. I actually used the Pioneer Woman recipe, which I will link down below. And I actually had some of these broccoli and cheese veggie tots in my freezer in the basement that got lost in the back that I decided to just make because they're really good. I know they don't look like much, but they're delicious. Here's a couple that like broke open, and they're literally like broccoli and cheese in a tot, and they're obviously a much healthier alternative to like potatoes or french fries. And there's a full serving of broccoli in each serving. They're really good. I highly recommend these. I've tried all the different Green Giant veggie tots, and these are the ones we like the best. So I have a portion here, a sloppy joe on this toasted brioche bun, which I get these at Walmart, and I also have some cut up celery and carrots with some ranch. Matt has 2 sloppy joes and the broccoli tots, and I also gave him some of the jalapeno aioli to dip the tots in. This is by Terrapin Ridge Farms. I'll link their website below. But yes, really easy dinner, and this is what we're having tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we are having sausage, peppers, and onions. Matt did all these on the grill. So we each have a sweet sausage and a spicy sausage, a good amount of sweet peppers and yellow onion grilled up, and then some of the Little Potato Company potatoes, which I am obsessed with. I want to buy these like every single week because they're so good, and they literally take 5 minutes. But this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so tonight I am doing the Stouffer's roasted garlic and lemon seasoning wraps. I shared these on my Insta story, and I told you guys I would show you some clips of me the night that I make it. So this is one of them. When you open it up, if you can see, it's like really seasoned. The thing that appealed to me about this is there's no oil. So I'm going to go ahead, get all these breasts out and get them ready to go in the frying pan, and I'm really intrigued to see how this comes out, so I'm going to share it with you. Alright guys, so I've got, there were 3 breasts. One was really thick, so I actually cut it in half, and then I made 2 of these out of, so there's 4 total. I turned 3 breasts into 4 pretty much because I had to cut one of them in half. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pan preheated, and it says on the package to cook these right in the paper with no oil, so I'm very, very intrigued. I have no idea if you guys can hear me, but this is halfway. I just flipped it. Let's see if I can show you the other one. That's halfway. Smells really good, so we're gonna do the other half and see how it comes out. For dessert tonight, I actually made some brownies with chocolate chip cookies on top. And I actually only ate 2. Or wait, did I eat 3? Maybe 2 or 3. Maybe I ate 3. But anyways, I have them all in this little container. And they're really good. So if you see the brownie mix with the chocolate chip cookies on top, highly recommend. They're really, really yummy. And chewy and just delicious. Definitely going to get these again. Alright guys, here's how it came out. Here are the 2 thinner chicken breasts. This is going to be mine and Matt's, and Justin is over. He's going to have this one with some yellow rice. We all have yellow rice and green beans. Looks really good, and of course I'll let you guys know how it comes out. And I still have the other chicken breast that's cooking right now. And then Matt and Justin will probably split that one. But anyways, this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, totally almost forgot to film tonight's dinner. Matt's actually already eating his, but we are having a meatless night today. It's not vegan because there is cheddar cheese, but I used some leftover potatoes from the Little Potato Company, cut them up and made like an egg scramble sort of omelet with cheese and the leftover seasoned potatoes, a couple eggs each, and then I put some ketchup and ground black pepper. We have some Italian bread from the bakery that I just toasted a piece of for us each, and then we're each having some fruit. There is a cut up half a pear, so we just split a whole pear, and then we each got a half of a large kiwi. And this is our dinner tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so tonight for dinner I made Mississippi chicken. I have a video on this that I'll link below. It is a really easy crock pot recipe. I actually made an extra piece so I can have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. I made some homemade mashed potatoes. I like to leave all the skin on. My husband is not a big fan of the pepperoncini, so I have a bunch of them and he has like 1. But we're having the Mississippi chicken with potatoes, and I also made one of the salad kits from Taylor Farms that I get at BJ's. It's a cabbage-based salad, and I actually made some homemade croutons right here with some leftover Italian bread, and they're absolutely delicious. They're seasoned with olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano and garlic powder. But this is what we're having tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner video. Just a reminder, I have an entire playlist of these types of videos if you were looking for more ideas. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next one.